broadcasting weather information for Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana, 24 hours a day, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., showers located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles south of Midway Airport to 25 nautical miles southwest of Gary, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar.
Warning!
Water
Yeah!
hazard
This is how we come home, Chad!
craft could be damaged and briefly.
Yeah!
Higher waves. Locations impacted include
Ah!
Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor.
I just got home, Chad!
Indiana
Special
Harbor,
marine warning!
Montrose Harbor, Burnham
Oh my
Harbor,
God.
Hamilton Marina, Jacksonburg Harbor, and Belmont Harbor.
This is how I come home to, Chad! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
The following is a